Hello everyone, this is Naomi, and it feels so nice to talk about light sheer pantyhose that look clean, soft, and elegant. The texture is thin but strong, and the tone gives a natural smooth look that goes well with many types of heels. The surface has a gentle shine that makes the legs look polished without being too bright. It is one of those classic styles that never go out of fashion and always give that delicate touch. I really like how this tone works with black heels because the contrast is soft and elegant at the same time. The pair I have today has a clear strap and a pointed black tip. The shape is very feminine, and the height of the heel gives balance between elegance and comfort. The design is simple but modern, and I love how the clear material lets the pantyhose show completely. This kind of combination keeps everything minimal and stylish with a quiet charm that I always enjoy. It feels timeless and pretty in a natural way, and that makes me happy every time I look at it. These light sheer pantyhose feel elegant and smooth. The texture stays soft against the skin, and the tone gives a natural finish that makes the legs look polished and clean. They match perfectly with these black tip, clear mules. The contrast between the soft pantyhose and the shiny black detail looks simple and refined. The heel height feels balanced, not too high and not too low, and the clear strap gives that minimal touch that always looks stylish. I really like how this combination keeps everything classic and quiet with a little modern sparkle that never feels too much. It is a style that works for any calm and elegant moment and always stays beautiful. I enjoy how the light and the color blend so well together. It feels graceful in a very natural way. Thank you so much for staying with me. I hope you like this try-on. And if you did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment to tell me what you think. More heels and more soft, elegant looks are coming soon, and I am happy to share them with you.